Hey, it's Krista with WTI. If you live in a household where that standard size cupcake or muffin is never enough really to satisfy the sweet tooth, meet the Tiawudi Jumbo Nonstick Muffin Pan. This set comes with 3 pans, so anytime you bake a batch, you'll definitely have enough to satisfy your family and share with your friends. These pans pair perfectly with any of the standard large tulip liners. I like to bake that way, saves me the extra time for cleanup. But if you do bake directly in the pan, it's made with a really nice nonstick material that's going to allow you to just really quickly pop it into the sink, wipe it down, and rinse, and it's good to go, fresh and clean. Another feature that's been excellent with these pans are the fact that they cook so evenly. The carbon material really allows all of the cupcakes or muffins to bake just evenly brown on the outside and perfectly cooked inside. So whether you're a person who has an appetite for a large muffin or cupcake all at once, or you want to make sure you just have enough to save for later to enjoy, then you're going to love these jumbo muffin pans. And that's my point of view.